we will start with the next type of data structure called as the linked list. And before we actually proceed to the linked list, we will have to discuss something like the memory allocation types. We will have to see what are the different ways in which the memory can be allocated. Now, why do we require memory? For storage of data. Okay, data. We require memory for the storage of data. Right. Now, when that particular memory will be allocated? When we declare the variables. Declaration of variables. I suppose there are two ways in which the variables can be declared. Global and local, yes. So variables can be declared either globally or locally. What is the difference? Where do you declare the global variables? Above main, starting, give me the precise answer. And where are the local variables? In the function or inside main? Inside a function. Then where are the global variables declared? Outside the function. Yes, yes. It's not above main or something like that. It is not within the scope of any function. What is the scope of function? What do we, when we say that it is the scope of the function, means what? There will be two words. There will be two words. One is scope and other is called as life. Of course, we are talking it with respect to the variables. But before that, what is the scope of a function?
The variables it can access.
No. Actually, scope, when we say, it is the group of the statements which are in that function. That is, from opening curly bracket to closing curly bracket will be the scope of the function. Okay. So the scope of the variables, when we say, which are declared locally, the scope will be restricted to that function. Scope is restricted to that function, which the variable which is declared inside the function, which is called as local variable, its scope will be restricted to that function. We will say it is restricted to that function. That means the variable which is declared inside the function will be accessible through that function only. So the scope is restricted to that function.